Very often we do hear this word called skill. Let's find out what it means. Skill is a technique that has been mastered to the point where you do not have to think about it at what to do. And it consists of knowing what to say and do, when and how, in very simple or layman's language. It is also comes very handy that how exactly we need to judge whether it has its impact or no. So, by its effect upon the group of people, then by your own intentions, you can measure it too. Similarly, how exactly one could acquire skills. It is bringing behavior into line with your intentions, what you want to master at. How can you install it? It's very simple through training, which includes observations and practice, which makes you perfect to do the task you want to perform. So, happy skilling and happy learning.